Saan ka galing?
From grocery.
From grocery?
Or shopping. From shop lopping. You don't make a bite like you eat all of it. You just make a small bite. I wanted to say the name. Juicy tender.
Tender juicy. Tender juicy hotdog. Ang plano ko ngayon is to cut the hair of Noah Gabriel. Game. Ready? Hello, madumis na bata. Madumis na bata at homeless. You homeless? Hi, ciao. Oh, ciao. Saan ka galing? Where you came from? Saan ka galing?
From grocery.
From a grocery?
Store. Shopping. Shop lopping.
Hey. Oh, love it. Oh, why do you like this? Not like this. Yan, fam! My fam! Good morning, panibagong araw, panibagong vlog na naman. Good afternoon, actually. Welcome back sa ating video. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Kauwi lang ni Nancy nag-grocery. Nag-grocery siya mag-isa. Kasi, I think it's better kapag siya lang nga nag-grocery. Walang magulo, wala yung mga bata, wala. No extra grocery. Kasi pagkasama ko ni Nancy, if I come with you, no, I want this one, buy this one, buy this one, buy that one. Yeah, like when she goes alone, mabibili niya lahat ng kailangan niya and tipid pa, no?
Flowers.
This is asparagus. Asparagi, yes. Ano yung mga binili ni Nancy? More on prutas, more on vegetables. And yan, ito ay chili. Quanto sono picante. It's for you, huh? I don't eat chili.
I want to make a challenge. We bite.
No. You know how difficult to bite? You know how difficult to bite this? I mean, yes, you can bite, but
Carolina Reaper.
the after effect, it's crazy,
I
eh?
know, but they don't make a bite like you eat all of it. You just make a small bite.
Yes, small bite, but it's the same. Your lips will burn. Vegetables. Yan, lahat ito mga prutas to. And very organized mag-pack yan si Nancy. Kasi dito.
Zucchini. Wait.
Pepino. Kamatis. Pere.
I'll just say
Pear.
Yes.
Yes.
No, that's English.
Pear.
Then what I have
What's that?
I want to remember.
Hotdog.
I wanted to say the name. Juicy tender? No.
Tender juicy hotdog. Very organized guys yan mag-pack. Oh. Kasi dito walang packer guys. Packer.
No. That's how.
It sounds so bad, packer. It's like if you change the letter to F, it's really packer. Walang packer dito. Packer.
Sounds like a Filipino saying.
Because I said packer. You should say packer. Packer. Walang packer dito. Walang taga-pack guys dito. Ng grocery mo. Kanya-kanyang effort dito. So, pag dala mo na yung pang...
They actually throw it to you.
Yeah, they throw like... I don't know, nakita niyo yung video na... May video sa TikTok eh. And the guy...
The old man is trying to catch the thing.
Yeah, because it's crazy how they... And you feel anxious, you feel nervous kasi may nakapila, no? Somebody's in the line and they will say, oh, bye, bilots. And they're like, toot. I don't like that part of grocery. I hate it. That's why Nancy always buys. Not like in the Philippines. Oh, you want bag, sir? You want to put in the box? And then they put in the box. Yeah, they like crazy. Like,
the bag? They throw it to you, the bag.
Yeah. You remember when we did the grocery in the SM, no? They put in the box.
The bag is SM.
Yeah, ito SM pa to guys, bro. Yan sa SM. Oh, yan, yung aming bag. Inuwi namin dito.
Because it's very big.
It's big and strong. Yes, it's strong, this one. It's good quality from SM Mall. Not sponsor, but it's good. Just want to say na si Dylan Art ay tulog ngayon. And ang plano ko ngayon is to cut the hair of Noah Gabriel. Tapos, kasi mahaba na guys. So ngayon yung pinaka first time niyang mag-cut ng hair aside sa kinat ni Nancy dito in front. So, yun yung pinaka first time. Kakalbuhin namin yung kalbo. Kalbo ba? Kalbo?
Ito yun.
Kalbo? Eh?
Sir?
Kalbo, sir. Guys, and last time nung lumabas kami under the sun, napansin ni Nancy marami na akong white hair. And yun, marami na akong white hair dyan sa buhok. And stress. Wala akong puting buhok dito guys. Nung pumunta ako dito sa Italy, pagkadating ko wala akong puting buhok. Dito na yung nagkaroon ng white hair. Na-stress yata. Too much stress. No?
You're just old.
Just becoming. Also the age, no? It's but imagine for the age of 30 years old, I have white hair already.
You're not 30.
It's too fast, no? So guys, ito binilan ako ni Nancy na
Not 30.
pangkulay ng buhok. Yan, ang binili sa akin ni Nancy. Pangkulay ng buhok from L'Oreal Expert, pero not sponsor. Ito ay very good pangkulay ng buhok and very how you say, very easy to use. Kasi ano siya, parang supply na siya kagad guys. Diretso na siya sa buhok, hindi mo na siya hahaluin or etc. Diretso na siyang i-apply sa buhok, no? Kasi parang may supply na rin siyang ganyan. Pero problema dito, yung surroundings mo matatalsikan kasi yung supply niya it's silicone, no? So mag-splatter yan. And but very easy to use and very quick to use.
Talking a lot.
Yes. I'm helping you with the moral support. Like, go. No? Okay, tulungan ko muna si Nancy. Nagreklamo na. Okay, so prepare ko lang to. Dito ko putulan ng buhok to si Noah. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung puzzle. Yan yung puzzle namin na 12,000 pieces na hindi pa rin namin na-frame na binuo namin in 2 years. Yan siya, yan yung kabuuan niya. So it's time to put it in the frame. So i-DIY ko lang yung frame yan kasi sobrang laki. Kapag binili mo yan dito, sobrang mahal ng frame with glass. Baka hindi namin lalagyan ng glass para hindi ganoon kabigat yung frame. Kasi pag masyadong mabigat, lalo pag may mga bata, glass, medyo delikado, no? So, baka plain lang siya, wala siyang glass. Or pag may nabili tayong fiberglass, baka maano tayo nun, no? Fiberglass o plexiglass, I don't know. Pero sa ngayon, hindi mo namin iisip yun. Isip mo na namin kung paano siya may frame. So, yan siya. Yung aming world map na 12,000 pieces. Na tinapos namin in 2 years time, no? Pero 2 years. 2 years not straight. So every time na may time lang.
6 months, a break, and then 6 more months.
So basically it's 1 year.
Yes.
Basically 1 year kapag tinuloy-tuloy mo yung process, no? Kasi nag-rest ng merong times na hindi namin siya talaga hinawakan. Yun. Kaya yung half niyan, halos si Nancy lang gumawa.
It's 1 year, it's finished.
Ha?
It's like 1 year, it's finished already.
Yeah, but I remember we started when my parents still here, no?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Anyway guys, tatabi ko muna to para may setup ko yung pagpuputulan ko ng buhok kay Noah. Kasi sinetup ko kagabi ito. Pinagpaplanuhan ko, lalagyan ng glue, ididikit yun, dito, yan, etc. So, very mahabang process. Alright. Okay. Say pronto. Yan guys, so ito ay ano na natin, gugupitan na natin ang buhok. Nakaset up ako ng ilaw dyan. Malakasan na hairstyling to. No? Eh? Oh. Eh, Carbo? Eh? Carbo? Oh, Carbo? Vini. Where's my scissor? Game. Ready? Nah. Meron din kami vlog neto si Dylan, yung kanyang pinutulo namin ng box si Dylan. Oh. Okay. Don't look at me. Look there, you see. Oh, wow. Wow, look at the camera. Look at the camera. Mamma mia. Your hair is so leggero. Okay. Mom. Okay. Okay, wow, very good, huh? Not complaining. Sulitin ko. Sulitin ko.
Where's this playing? I do like Dylan.
Straight. Dylan.
Mommy! Yes, Mommy.
That one is, how old is she?
Very funny. You look at me. Mommy. Sorry.
Oh, mamma mia. Chi è questo? Very poggy. That is very good though. That is very good. I'm on the other side. Okay. Aspetta. Dice ancora. Dalawa puyo nito guys ha. Take note. Dalawa ang puyo. Oh, Gil. Come here. Oh. Okay, go. Adesso qua. Gira.
Figo! No, taglia sto coso. È bello, però taglia il ciuffo. Taglia il ciuffo.
Tayo un po'.
No, I don't like this haircut. So small. Però è bello.
No, sta bene. Na, oh. Who's this? Kalbo na, oh. Naku guys, kamukha na ni Nancy. Kung pinababok ito, kamukha na ni Nancy. Oh, you okay? Okay? Okay. Ito guys, ito tinatabi namin to. Yung first haircut. Meron din si Dylan ng first ever haircut. Yeah. So ito yung first ever haircut. Mamma mia! Mo! It looks like a girl! It looks like you!
Adesso looks like a girl. You said before.
No, look!
Non è vero!
So shower na muna to si Noah. What do you think of this haircut? Rate from 10 to 1.
Okay,
From 1 to
say
10.
also why we decided to cut it.
Because it's summer.
And he sweat a lot.
Yes.
Like his
Sobrang
brother.
pawis yan sa buhok.
And we will cut also Dylan again.
Kalbo also.
Maybe not.
Okay, see you in a bit. Okay guys, so tapos na tayong magupit ng buhok ni Noah. Ngayon, nagpe-prepare sila ng dinner. Dito magdi-dinner yung parents ni Nancy. Prepare sila ng dinner sa labas. Nagpiprito. Kita ko sa inyo.
Più vuole, ha stato chiesto che le frighe finisce la torta, capito?
Qui? Yan, wow.
No, Rossano, dello,
Si vende?
No,
You can sell.
attenzione che c'è
Training
il
simple.
danze.
For this feeling that I had with you.
Yung naming dinner is fish. Fried small fish. Fried small fish.
For a love
Adesso come facciamo?
Ito ay salad. Fish.
Ah, sai che puoi fare?
The lemon o yung...
No!
Tapos na kami kumain. At nakapagligpit na rin. And it's really good yung pinrito ni Nancy. Sa labas kami nagprito kasi pag sa loob ng bahay nangangamoy ang prito. Okay guys. Yan. So, si Noah ay tulog na, si Nancy at si Dylan nandun nanonood pa ng TV. Yan guys, minabangan ko yung kasi ngayon yung first day nung pagpili ng bagong Pope. Pero kanina black smoke pa, so wala pang napipili na bagong Pope. Inabangan ko kasi isa sa mga kandidato, si Bishop Tagle, which is yan, na-meet ko yan in person. Kasi dati ako, kung di nyo alam, dati ako sa Kristan sa Imus, Cavite. And nag-serve ako ng 7 years sa pagiging sakristan, no? So yan, na-meet ko yan si Bishop Tagle because taga-Imus yan na nag-service siya dyan sa Imus, kaya madalas ko siya ma-meet. So kung siyang mapipili, it's very emotional. So tignan natin bukas kung magkakapili na ng bagong Pope. Yan, so tomorrow ang plano it's pupunta kami sa school ni Nancy at mayroon siyang lesson and then we vlog that one. No? Yun guys, maraming salamat sa panonood. I finished the vlog here and si Noah is sobrang cute. Nag-iba yung mukha niya talaga, nag-iba yung aura niya. Nagmukhang matured. Tapos blonde yung buhok. Talagang naging kamukha na talaga ni Nancy, no? So guys, maraming salamat po sa panonood and see you on our next vlog. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.